Question is not of me being MP. I'm just like an ordinary citizen. I had contested elections. I had all the documents. And the ECI went through all the entire scrutiny and they were satisfied, and that is how my nomination was through. That's just a year back. And now you are telling me to prove the same documents. So it's an irony. The serious thing is, what about those citizens, the common man, who you are going and telling him to prove? Elderly people, from where will they get documents? You should have had a support system, sort of a help desk. Whoever is having a problem, come, we will trace out. What happens to those common men who have no access, elderly people who have no access? A means assembly and C means constituency. A stroke C. Now who the hell knows that AC stands for assembly stroke constituency? So these are the small things where they have made a person's or a voter's means of feeling difficult. It is a flawed system. People who may be less educated, where do they go? There has to be a system. You cannot tell a citizen, prove yourself that you are a citizen. You are trying to prevent a person, a citizen, from casting his vote. Who is paying taxes, and you ECI officials and government officials are getting a salary.
दुसरे वटेन AEROन हाचेर स्पष्टीकरण दिलें. SIRच्या प्रक्रिये वेळार BLOन कॅप्टन विरियातो कडल्यान एन्युमरेशन फॉर्म घेतिल्ले, पूण तातूंत असेंब्ली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी नंबर, पार्ट नंबर आनी सिरियल नंबरची सुवात रिती आशिल्ली. ताकाच लागून विरियातोचे फॉर्म अनमॅप्ड कॅटेगरींत गेले आनी विरियातोक ऑटोमॅटिकली ECIची SIR नोटीस इश्यू जाली. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.